Running out of prescription refills can happen during travel, an insurance change, or an unexpected schedule disruption. A gap in medication can affect both your health as well as your daily routine, which makes the continuity of care an important issue that we need to understand. Today, we're going to be reviewing Refill Genie. We're going to look at what type of service it is, where are its limitations, and who it may or may not be for. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Tyler from the Rideshare Guy. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at Refill Genie. Now, this video is sponsored by Refill Genie, but all opinions are our own. They have no editorial control over the review that we're giving. This type of service of Refill Genie is intended for people who are experiencing a temporary gap in care, such as when they're traveling or when they have an insurance transition. It's not designed for you to get new medications, to provide a new diagnosis, or medications that require a close, ongoing, in-person monitoring. Refill Genie is a text-based service where licensed medical professionals review requests related to existing prescriptions you already have. The focus is on supporting continuity of care during a short-term disruption rather than replacing your primary healthcare provider. These requests are then evaluated individually, and their medical judgment and patient safety guide the decisions on what they make. So not every request is going to be approved and coordinated with the patient's existing pharmacy. That's going to happen only when it's appropriate after they've used their medical judgment and looking at patient safety to guide them. Now, the pros for this, for Refill Genie, is that it's useful for individuals that are experiencing just a temporary gap in coverage that offers a remote communication format. And the con for this is that it does not replace a primary care provider or help you initiate a new prescription or refill on a controlled substance. So if you're looking for something temporary, like you're sick or you need an antibiotic or you think you need a new medication, this is not going to be the case for that. So who is this service with Refill Genie appropriate for? It's for those who are dealing with a short time access to medication challenge. It functions as a temporary medically reviewed bridge to help you maintain your continuity of care with the medication you are already taking and need. So have you used Refill Genie or something similar to this in the past? How have you handled refill changes when something comes up and you need to get that? Let me know in the comments below. We read every single one of them. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get new information that comes out all the time. And until next time, stay safe out there, everyone.